Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the Yofer kit by HiRev Sports. We're going to go ahead and start off with the front lip. This is going to be like a 3-part video, so we'll do part 1, just do the front lip, and then we'll do the diffuser and side skirts, not in that specific order, but we'll go ahead and tackle different videos, just that way it doesn't get so long. So we'll start off with this one, very easy. It's with 3M. And then I'll see if I put some screws in the bottom. I kind of repositioned this to see, but it's very a nice tight snug fit. So with the 3M it should be perfectly fine, even with the wind and downforce or whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the very first thing you want to go ahead and do is put the 3M. I'm putting it towards the edge on every piece curvature, including the inside here and on the other corner, of course. And then what we're gonna do is gonna pre-peel the red ribbon on each corner, kind of on the front side. Tape it with some tape on there, and then once we position the lip, we'll start pulling and pressing at the same time. So let's go ahead and get that started. Alright guys, so I went ahead, you can use masking tape. I went ahead and I used painter's tape. What you want to do is peel off on each corner, tape it to the front, kind of like so. This makes easier, so that way you position before anything starts to kind of bond with the 3M. So this helps you out a lot to go ahead and kind of position everything. Once it's done, you can start peeling each ribbon, and then you're pressing until you're fully done with the entire lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and position the lip now, and then we'll start the peeling off process, pressing, and then that's it. All right guys, as you guys can see, I went ahead and already peeled this off. It's a nice perfect fit onto the actual trim. So I already did this side, same thing on the opposite side, and then we're gonna go ahead and just start peeling this off. So let me go ahead and move the camera a little bit. So what you want to be doing on all these is basically, once it's nice and positioned, we can go ahead and press. So now this part gets nicely bonded. You press down, and we're gonna do the same thing across here. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera. All right, so same thing here. We're pulling the ribbon. Move across the other side here. I won't be able to see that part in camera, but let's go ahead, finalize the ribbon here until it's fully off, like so, and then we're going to begin pressing. I'm going to go ahead and finalize this, and then finish both sides, and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, the lip kit is already installed. You have here paint match. I want to say it's about 95-98%. I want to say this is a little tad darker than what comes on the factory paint, but overall it kind of blends in real good. So everything lines up perfectly. The one thing I forgot to mention is, before you install this, I should have started with that, is that you need to make sure the area is clean. Make sure that the area is really off of debris and whatnot, and then you're able to do what I did here. Everything fits super nice and snug. I would give this an 8 out of 10. Definitely ease of install, not that complicated. So if you guys want this kit, it's available at HiRev Sports. They got a few colors on there still available. You can email me at boostedwhipsofficial@gmail.com to get a discount code, or you can follow me on Instagram at boostedwhips_official, and you can DM me there and get your discount code for there. But again, yeah, This is really good. Stay tuned for part 2 and 3 of this video. Thanks for watching again, and until next time. Like, share, and subscribe as always. Comment below if you have any questions, comments, and I'll see you next time. Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.